Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering AI inputs and creating the project stub. Load your prompts, sample outputs, and any reference assets into one folder and choose a model and explicit output format. Once done, create a README and a config. IML with key fields, model, temperature, and output path. Make sure to name files consistently so scripts can find them. This first step saves time later. You'll iterate, but a clear structure prevents chaos and speeds automated runs. You now generate and assemble the project file. Run your prompts to produce staged outputs into a build folder, then parse AI JSON responses and validate them against your schema. Once validated, normalize fields like names, timestamps, and paths. Next, assemble the final project file by concatenating metadata, assets references, execution scripts, and dependency lists. Make sure to include relative paths and version pins so the file is portable. This middle work you finish by exporting and testing the project file. Package everything into the chosen format, add a checksum or signature, and tag a version. Then load it into the target tool or perform a dry run to verify assets and scripts execute. If something fails, validate the schema, confirm relative paths, and inspect the AI response for missing keys. Rerun only the failing prompts to save time. Finally, document the fix in the README so future runs avoid the same issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.